What's up?
Alright, I've been watching your video for a long time.
Oh!
Slash bodyguard. Is there a problem?
Yeah. He's also security.
I run my mouth.
Wait, he's my friend, though.
That guy's hilarious, dude.
Oh my god! Calm down, man! Hey! We didn't ask for all that!
Yeah.
No, you don't.
A Rolex for Christmas should be coming.
What's up, everybody? This is Taylor, and you're watching Coasting California. So we are at another South OC Cars and Coffee. I'm pretty stoked about this one. DDE is gonna be here. I've been waiting to see this Huracan EVO Aperta, I think is what they call it. It's Italian for open because they chop the freaking windshield off. I saw the 720 GTR last night, but I have not seen this Aperta yet. I don't know if that's how you even say it. So I'm really kind of looking forward to that.
Baby, we back again.
Soon, so.
Jake from State Farm.
What's up? Dude, you're in Texas.
Yeah.
What's up?
I've been trying to get him to come out here, man.
No, we're gonna come to Texas.
Oh yeah.
We got huge EV fam in the Texas area.
Nice action, man. I appreciate it. All right. I've been watching your video for a long time.
Thanks, dude.
Oh.
You gotta do it for the picture, man. Ew. I love it.
It's not real.
It's not real.
No, it's scripted. He works for us.
Scripted.
Yeah.
Where's the producer? Who's screenwriter?
Producer
Oh, that's okay.
slash bodyguard. Is there a problem?
Oh, it was real. Oh,
Heads up. He's also security.
Yeah.
He's also security.
I run my mouth. Wait, he's my friend, though. I thought Skinny was my friend.
Friends only go so far.
Yeah. That's what everybody thinks.
Friends end at a paycheck.
That's real. Where's Scott?
That guy's hilarious, dude.
Who wrote the script?
Why is everybody a screenwriter, man? Look, man, we need natural organicness out here. We love it, man. Tell the people your Instagram.
My Instagram's TFDEE Camaro.
There it is.
Yep.
Man, I should have known. I should have known. I'm sorry. Oh my God, calm down, man. Hey. We didn't ask for all that, Skinny. We didn't ask for all that. Skinny, we didn't ask for all that. I love you, bro.
Hashtag no sellout. Selling out.
Look, my man. I see where you get your swollenness from.
I'll be right back.
I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car take it tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me.
That's right. I parked it next to him because I'm that pretentious.
Look at this. Hold on. Yeah. Come on, man. Get the other one. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, yes. Oh, you know.
Bam. Just joking. Come on. Hell yeah! You got the calipers and the interior. That's so money. Thank you, man. See? Thank you. Gotta take care of my guys. Now the Rolex for Christmas should be coming.
How are we missing Christmas on the purchase? I mean,
We use it as an umbrella now. Hey, Lamborghini umbrella.
Decided to park my car right there. Pretty good strategy, I think.
Lead the way. Millionaire Mike.
So I'm gonna head back. Sort of a strat. I parked right next to their car because there's a bunch of people filming and I thought maybe somebody would follow the stupid YouTube channel. Anyway, they dipped. You're not supposed to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna head back. Fun day. Tomorrow is another day, West Hollywood. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, click like, and see you tomorrow. Peace.